Greetings, Toiletarians! I'm your host, Toilet Terry, and you guys are all watching Toilet Talk with Terry. That's me. Obviously, this episode's discussion topic is obnoxious noises. I'll tell y'all, when I was young, the number one place on earth where I made the most obnoxious noises imaginable was in school. I remember in 5th grade, sometimes I would interrupt the teacher while they were teaching by making this noise. Nee. Sounds like a dying cow to me. But not only that, I can make animal noises too, like pig or dog or chicken. But the most annoying, obnoxious noise that ever came out of me was a fart. And not just any fart. I'm talking bowels of the Titanic, never-ending, everlasting, repetitive drum roll. You see, I know, gross, but it can also come in handy. Let me explain. One time, my grandmother was visiting us, and she couldn't get through the doorway. She couldn't fit. But then she let out the drum roll fart. In the process, she lost weight, and then boom, she went right through that door. How about that? There was also a time when something kind of compared to that happened to me too. I let out the loudest bowels of the Titanic drum roll, repetitive drum roll fart you had ever heard in your life. And the evidence of me losing weight was my pants falling down there near near the end. So many people out there want to abolish obnoxious noises. I kind of agree, but to an extent, with the exception of loud drum roll farts, because of how they can help you. But is loud and long drum roll farts the only obnoxious noise that can help you out? Is there more? I believe the only other would be belching. Imagine if, like, you drank so much soda, so much that you started to levitate. You began to levitate. You're about to get killed by the ceiling fan. What's the solution? Turn off the fan? Maybe, but I prefer belching. Belching as long as it takes to get you back down on the ground. Like that scene from Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory back in 1971. Charlie and Uncle, listen to me. Grandpa Joe stole fizzy lifting drinks, and then they levitated, and they were about to get killed by the ceiling fan. But then one of them went, ugh. I can't make that noise on command. Let me try one more time. Yeah, they burped, and the more they burped, the more they went down. So, yeah, there you have it. Farting and burping are the two most obnoxious noises on the planet that are not only obnoxious, but can help you out. I mean, whoever knew that obnoxious noises could serve a purpose? But not only is it obnoxious noises that can do that, there's another bizarre thing too. Actually, punctuation can save lives too. Punctuation can serve just the greatest purpose obnoxious noises could. For example, let's eat... Sorry for laughing. Let's eat grandma. Let's eat grandma. Commas save lives. Clever, huh? No, not really, but anyway, as short as it was, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to drop a like on this video and hit that sub button for more content, new and upcoming. It's going to be amazing. You won't want to miss it. All right. Y'all keep it real. Peace out.